market will dictate kung ano yung presyo ng bahay mo.
Kami naman as a, as a realtor on the seller side, we need to be realistic with our seller. Na okay ba sa na na hintayin mo na paano mag-react yung market or sasabihin ko na sa iyo na ito ang dapat na ipresyo mo.
That's
Kasi
it.
right now ang mga seller parang minsan in denial pa yung iba na
Yes.
akala nila ganito pang presyo.
The market will dictate kung ano yung presyo ng bahay mo. Not
Oo,
you, right?
Yes. Kaya nga ang nangyayari, Alvin, kapag alam ko na natatantya ko na yung seller hindi, yung motivation niya gusto lang niyang i-test yung market.
Yeah, to find out.
I won't even take the listing.
Correct. Yeah.
Kasi number one, it costs me money.
Correct.
Marketing money. Like you have to pay for photographer, videographer, landscaper, house cleaner, stager. It's like bukod sa nakagastos ka na, tapos, time and
Times
effort,
pa, oo.
di ba? Kasi I have to use all my resources. I have employees I have to pay. So kung alam ko na yung seller hindi talaga seryoso,
Oo.
at, parang they don't really trust my judgment and my, my experience. Parang medyo naaano ko doon. Parang I'll just walk away.